Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to reset the TPMS sensors in your tires. I have a 2017 Cruze and a 2019 Cruze. So when you go inside the car, you do not put your foot on the gas pedal. You don't, because you don't want to start the car. You also do not press the button, you hold it. Just keep holding it. And after about 5 seconds or so, it will go into service mode. And once you're in service mode, hit the arrows to scroll to the tire pressure, and then hold the check mark button. And now it says tire learning active. So you heard the car beep twice. Now, in my experience, trying to let air out of the tire did not work to reset the sensor for me. So I had to go on Amazon and buy a simple Chevrolet Cruze or Chevrolet model sensor resetter. This uses a 9-volt battery, and all you do is you find the nozzle for air, put the sensor above it, hit the button, hold it, and then you'll hear a honk. Now when you're resetting the sensors, you always start with the driver side front tire, and you should be able to see a light on the front. And then after the driver's side, it moves to the passenger side, and you can confirm by seeing a light on telling you that it's looking for the passenger side next. So you find the nozzle, hold the button, and just keep holding it until you hear the beep. Now you can see the light has changed to the rear passengers. Find the nozzle. And then last is the rear driver. So look for the lights to confirm the order to reset the tires. And there, you heard a honk and then 2 small honks after. That means it has registered all 4 tires and you're done. And now if you were to check, the tire pressure monitoring system shows that it's now receiving signal from all 4 tires. And that is it. And then just hit your start stop button, and the car's off, and now you can start it back up and everything should be working fine. So like I said, use the headlights and rear lights to determine the order of the car, but from my experience, almost every single car will start with the driver's side front tire, passenger side front tire, passenger side rear tire, driver's side rear tire.